How are you finding life in Jamaica?
Very good. 5 years of happiness.
Kareem's quest is in Treasure Beach, and I found this lovely couple. Did not know that they were a couple though, right? So where are you from originally?
Madagascar.
Madagascar. And where are you from?
Haiti.
Haiti and Madagascar, right? So how did you guys meet each other?
Well, I came in France for my studies.
Yeah?
And he was living there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, so how you find it together? How you finding life in Jamaica?
Very good. 5 years of happiness.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
5 years of happiness.
Yeah.
This is some of your artwork right here.
Yes, exactly. So I am illustrator, specialize in watercolor, and I also do illustration for children book.
Okay, nice. Mertuga. What
Yes.
does that mean?
So it's the name of the goddess of the sea turtles, because here in Treasure Beach they nest. So we have